Hey guys, Matt.
Andrew.
And we are finally working on the Sweet 16 project. You guys have been asking us since we got the body, what's going on with it. Andrew's had a lot going on.
Yeah, I've been very busy helping this one with his car, so it's finally my turn to get started and we're gonna make some progress.
And you're driving now, that was the big news.
Yeah, I have my license now as of like a month ago. I can come over more and work more, so it's a good deal.
Yeah, so Andrew, we've been basically, as I've been telling people in the comments, or anybody isn't, up to date, some of you guys that are older might forget, when you go to school, it takes up a lot of your time. You might have a part-time job, you're chasing girls, you're hanging out with friends. So Andrew's been busy, and honestly, we've been trying to wait till I had the free tee to the point where we were about to assemble it, because it's been kind of blown apart and stored over in this section. So now that the body's away at upholstery, end of this month, we're going to start putting the body and the engine back in, and that'll be like condensed. Now we can start working on this. So what we're going to do is work on getting the body flopped over with the meat truck next to the yellow tee, and we're going to work on those two side by side because they're going to kind of be similar in the beginning how we're setting everything up, and it'll make it a little easier to work on them. So we're going to move some stuff around, get this set up on a frame, maybe do a little bit of bench racing with some wheels and tires and see where we get. So let's get started. Over in the junkyard area, excess inventory. So we got a Model T frame I had sitting around forever, and we got Andrew's Model A frame. You guys might remember we did a little bit of patchwork on it. Needs a little bit more, but got that cross member replaced in it. So we're gonna drag this out, get it in the garage.
Yeah, and then you come out. Do you like the rake of mine too, or is it just the height?
He said he likes the height of the way yours, how high yours is.
I can't really measure it from there, but so that's 17 right here.
So get it in a similar area.
Let's just say 17 here.
Well, look at the holes. See how there's those 3 holes there? Measure where that is, and use that as a common location on both frames.
16.
So 16. All right. Go ahead. To the top of the frame. Or the bottom? Hold on. I know you're over the 16. Go down.
What's that?
Can you go down one click? Let's see what it does. Yeah, it takes some.
How's that?
It's a little lower than 16, but that's.
Then we're gonna get up.
The frame is probably actually a little lower than 16 anyway, because you.
Oh, that's about perfect. Right there is good. That's about as close as we're gonna get with jack stands.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's do the rear. So I'm gonna do right these 3. There's 3 holes there. So it's about 13 inches to the bottom of the frame. Hold on. You can go down. Up. Pull your thing up so you know where you're at. Let it drop down there.
And you got it.
12 and a half, and I think, try going up a click. That's too high, go down a click.
Well, up that click might actually be good.
No, you want that heavy rake. You're going for a 60s car. His car actually sits high in the front because of the. There you go. It's just, it's like 3/8. All right, so we're gonna set it on the Model A frame. Model A rear cross members have like a big step in them or rise to them. Model T did not, and Andrew's car is so solid, I'm not used to it. These cars that are so solid, it has the original rear trunk floor in it, so these guys are going to work on getting the, try to get a shot of it. It's basically just riveted in all the way across. So they're gonna grind the rivet heads down and pop it loose, and then pull the whole trunk floor out because we're gonna have to redo it anyway. So. Yep, there you go. Success. Ready? Actually, I do that. Forward. Oh, we got this.
It's actually
Oh, it's got your front mounts on. Oh, it needs to go way back. Ready?
Yeah. Because those holes in the wheel well are lined.
Oh, yeah. All right. That's close. I'm close.
What's under the front? Something Peter commented.
Oh, there's a bracket. There's a bracket here. It's turned. Can you guys lift up? Pinch my hand. All right, go back down.
We're also, I don't think.
You're on the wood, the factory wood. That's sitting way too high. What do you think? Does it need to go down a little? I think it needs to go down a lot, but I like.
think it can go down a couple clicks, baby. Not too much though. Just enough.
All right, well, you guys want to?
It's gonna have 4 inches out of the roof too.
Yeah, but you don't want the bottom of the car being like monster truck height.
Well,
though.
yeah, I know.
Well, go ahead, lift it up, drop it down a couple clicks, one at a time,
Should
and
we get a jack so that we don't have to lift the bottom?
well, you could lift the frame and the body in one shot. Do whatever you want. You're the project coordinator. Yeah, I'll operate the jack if you guys want. Try, you can actually lift kind of like right here. Just one corner is fine. All right. Try that.
Is that 2?
I was one. I went back up one. I went down.
Don't worry, Andrew. It'll still be touching the ceiling when we're done.
I know. What the fuck, man? Lift up. All right. Oop. Oh, there. All right. Let's look at it. I think it's still high. Anyway, look at it. It's too high.
Yeah, it's still high.
Too high.
Let's go another one.
All right. Jeez. Skyjacker here.
Hey,
Yeah.
don't.
Hold on. You wait for him to help you.
You're running a 3-inch lift on this thing with medium Jeep tires.
All right. Down. That's one more click. See, the thing wanted me to do 2 clicks. It was automatically going down 2.
All right. Car knows what it wants.
Yeah. Let's look at it. It's getting closer. I think one more click. That looks a little better.
That looks good.
If it was up to me, how about we appease me and let's put it all the way down on those rear jack stands. Just to appease me. Let's just try it.
And then we can just waste our effort and put that.
I'm telling you, dude. Just try it.
Yeah, this one's definitely 1 click higher than this one.
Wow. They're all going down.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out now. Ready? That felt better. I can already.
And then you drop the front end down.
It's just sitting a little wonky. We got one visible. Ready? It's just because it's pinched right there. You can see it's sitting on that. See how it's sitting there? The weight's all on there and it's not touching there. We'll get to it. Let's sit back in. That looks good. It looks high, like a 60s car. Like it's not like real low like some of my stuff is, but like it's not like silly high. Because like the way you had it was like a 70s style car where they were like, they started getting the proportions were like real like cartoony. So the frame would be real high in the air. It'd be like, I think that looks good. It's not like dragging on the ground, but it'll have some attitude.
Is it tires?
No.
Well, we could set them up next to it then. I think
Because that'll give you a sense
you
of
can
where
almost
that
go
was.
one more click.
In the front?
In the front, yeah.
Yeah, to give it more of a.
To give it more of a dramatic, like,
I think so too.
Yeah, set them all the way down.
there we go. Yeah. That's it right there. That's real dramatic rig to it. Little tires in the front with the big cheater slicks in the back. That'll have that look. I like that. That's good. Yeah.
And that tire sits in a good spot on there.
I don't know where the rear would need to be, but well,
Look at it from right here.
that's where the rear would have to be. Is that what you want? You like that?
Yes.
I think it needs to go a little lower.
I think you're wrong.
All right.
I think that little bit of gap.
Okay. I dig it. All right. So, this is what it's gonna be like.
Yeah,
I like it.
it's amazing.
So we threw everything together. We set some wheels just for size on the car, and did some bench racing, and it's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
You're definitely gonna want to sit a little lower in this thing, but we got tons of room to go back. I mean, you're gonna try to lean back in it.
And we got plenty of room to chop it too.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, so we're gonna definitely do a chop on it. We just haven't decided how much yet, but now that we got the body sitting on the frame, we can work out the body mounts next time for it, get the body bolted down to the frame, and then we can start working on figuring out some of the engine mounts, suspension, all that stuff, and then we can chop it. So
Yeah.
exciting stuff. So that's all we have for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, we do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. If you haven't, definitely make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more work on the Sweet 16 project here coming soon. Thanks, guys. Catch you later. Oh, I'm stuck. Where's the door handle?
Maybe. Oh, that.
Yeah, the screwdriver's the door handle.
I would do it like that forever.
You wouldn't have to do it, it'd be your passenger.
Yeah.
Yeah.